take a little bit of a reprieve because those temperatures are going back down again.
They're going back down again, and more snow is actually moving into the forecast. And it's going to start actually in parts of the state tonight, but really pick up tomorrow and tomorrow night. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the storm snow totals over the weekend. A weaker storm system moving through, bringing a lot of snow across the northern mountains. Red River, 7 inches of snow. We also had several inches over near Angel Fire, Ski Santa Fe at 4 inches, Clovis at 4 inches, Cimarron at 3 inches, and Fort Sumner picking up 2 inches of snow. You take a look at Durango Mountain right now, and you can see the cloud cover has already moved in, and they're seeing some spotty snow already ahead of this next system that's going to be dropping southward out of Colorado, and you stand to pick up at Durango Mountain anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow out of this system as we head into Wednesday morning. So looking at the watches and warnings right now, winter storm watches in effect for much of New Mexico, Farmington, Raton, Las Vegas, Albuquerque, and even down into Roswell. This starts at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and will continue until 11 o'clock on Wednesday. So here's a look at the storm impacts. So we're looking at anywhere from 8 inches or more of snow in the northern central mountains, 4 inches out across the east and northeast plains, and of course in the higher terrain in the western part of the state, we're looking to pick up between 1 to 3 inches of snow out of the system. Big cold blast is going to be moving in as well. Wind chill factor, especially across the east, anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees below zero. Here's a look at what's going on right now. Things are mostly quiet across our state, but you can already start to see some of that snow shower activity moving into the southwestern portions of Colorado. And that whole disturbance is going to continue to intensify and move into the state as we head into the overnight hours and stick around again through Wednesday morning. So we'll track it hour by hour with Superstorm track for the rest of this afternoon. Not too much going on across the state, mostly sunny skies and temperatures mild, but still on the chilly side. By 8 o'clock this evening, we're starting to see some of that snow get into the northern mountains, and it's going to intensify as we head into tomorrow morning and start to move into the Four Corners area as well. So northwestern New Mexico tomorrow morning waking up to scattered snow showers. The northern mountains waking up to scattered snow showers and even some spotty snow in the northeast. A cold front's going to drop through tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to get things going over in the northeastern part of the state. So looking at heavy snow in the northeast, east central plains, and of course for the northern central mountain chain, even the east mountains tomorrow afternoon. This of course is at 5 o'clock, and even the metro area could pick up a couple of inches of snow starting tomorrow afternoon and then continuing through the overnight hours tomorrow night and getting into early Wednesday. By Wednesday morning, things will start to die down. That colder air is going to be moving in, and we're going to continue to see that windy conditions persist for the eastern part of the state. So here's a look at the temperatures right now. 20s and 30s across the north, 40s down across the south. Today, fairly mild. Temperatures really won't start to drop until we get into Wednesday, with the exception of the far northeast corner. Your forecast now for the northwest. Partly cloudy. Could see a spot snow shower this afternoon. Otherwise, temperatures in the 30s with lows tonight down into the teens. We'll see that snow moving in today, of course, already there in Durango, and continuing through early Wednesday with temperatures only in the 20s for highs as we head toward the middle of the week. South and west, sunny and nice with highs in the 40s and low 50s, and down into the 20s tonight. South and east, looking at a pretty nice day other than the breezy conditions. Winds at times may be up near 25 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid 40s to low 50s, 52 the high in Roswell. Tomorrow, 58. There's a chance for a little light snow tomorrow night through early Wednesday, but Wednesday that cold air moves in. Highs in the mid 30s, but with the wind around, again, that wind chill could be below zero at times. Your forecast for the northeast, windy with isolated snow showers. Temperatures will climb into the middle and upper 30s this afternoon with lows down into the teens. Northern mountains, isolated snow possible this afternoon, picking up tonight and tomorrow morning with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s. Santa Fe looking at a high of 33 degrees today, down to 15. Snow will move in tomorrow, continuing through tomorrow night and into early Wednesday. Highs on Wednesday only in the low 20s. And your forecast for the east mountains, looking at temperatures today in the mid 30s and down into the teens with partly cloudy skies, windy conditions there as well. Metro area partly sunny and breezy with highs in the low 40s, then down into the teens tonight. On Tuesday, watching for some scattered snow for the metro area, continuing through Tuesday night. Could pick up again a couple inches there, and then by Wednesday, those highs only around the freezing mark, so it's going to get cold again.
Not looking forward to it. Okay, thank you, Kristen.